How to fix Shopee Voucher error M02 or M02. Hello everyone, welcome back into the channel. In this video today, I'll guide you through the steps on how you can fix the Shopee Voucher error M02. Well, first things first, you'll have to understand why this error occurs. Some of the possible reasons why you're experiencing the M02 error code in the Shopee might be abuse of vouchers or promotions, multiple user accounts, reseller activity, or fake order creation. Take note that Shopee may restrict access to accounts that are found to be in violation of their terms and service. If you believe none of the aforementioned scenarios apply to your shopping account, then you can still fix the issue and process your checkout by trying the possible solutions. Such as you can check out without vouchers. You can log into your account, go to your cart and select the product you want to check out and remove all the vouchers and click OK button. So you'll have to proceed and purchase without voucher. You can also try, if you're using the app, then update the app to the latest version, or you can try and restart your phone. Now if this all doesn't help, you can clear the cache. To do so, scroll down notification bar, head over to settings. Once you're on the settings, scroll down and head into apps option. Here now looking for the Shopee option, and once you open up Shopee, you want to go ahead and tap on the storage option and go ahead and clear cache and clear data. This is the way on how you can fix the Shopee M02 error code. Hope this video helped. Do like and subscribe.